Hi, my name is Tapia. And this is a story about me and my family. Hope you enjoy it. Hurry up. Wake up. You got a meeting at 9:30. It's already being late. Today weather is good. Temperature about 81. Good day to work. You only slept 4 hours last night, not good, so get home early today, take some rest, and? Do you need coffee? Latte as usual? Or espresso?
Espresso. Apo.
Sure.
Tapia. Can you get the lipstick we did last time? Lux, number 7.
Reorder. Lux number 7 lipstick.
Thank you.
It's been 2 weeks since last time you call your mom. Don't you miss her? Maybe it's time to stop quarreling with each other?
Tapia, call my mom.
Yes.
모시모시.
Tapia. Talk robot companion.
Once in a lifetime, an innovation comes along that changes the course of mankind. A modern marvel of science and engineering. Allow me to introduce Cosmo. Cosmo? Cosmo! Oh boy. Yes, Cosmo. We can play later.
You and me, kid, we going places.
Say hello to Say So, your walking, talking, live streaming new best friend. A robot with a dynamic personality shaped by you. And yes, he is part of the Razer Chroma ecosystem. Other smart assistants are built to be your digital servants, but Say So is your sidekick.
Flexing on them scrubs from coast to coast, yeah.
And your sensei. He'll call you out on your BS and tell you what you need to hear, even when you don't want him to.
Alright, we praise the sun. Let's go play some games.
He's one hell of a sidekick.
Yo, wake up, bro. You got that meeting, remember?
Snooze.
Hell no, I ain't snoozing no more. Boom, headshot. Boom, headshot. Boom, headshot. Wake you ass up. Good morning.
If you say so, he'll deliver messages, like to that one roommate.
Can you please remind Nick to clean his dishes?
I got you.
You're the man.
Yo, Nicholas. Dishes ain't that way. They're over here. Scrub, scrub, scrub. Scrub, scrub, scrub. Scrub them dishes. Alright.
Razer Say So's advanced facial, speech, and body scanning enables him to read your emotions and physical health. He'll notice when you're packing on a few pounds.
Real talk, you're getting fat, bro. Let's do some push-ups together. 1, 2, 3. Hey, rough day, Travis? Bam! Chroma change. I'm gonna need this room by midnight, though. I got Alexa coming over. Free 2-day shipping.
A new meta gear? That's right. Say So is your personal gaming sensei and levels up your performance by scouring game data, new strategies via patch notes, winning esports athlete Twitter accounts, and spicy forum threads.
Okay, slow down. Boy's getting busy. Yeah, buddy. Yo, that's what you get for insta-locking Hanzo, scrub. Hey, when in doubt, make sure your team has a tank, a healer, and a hit scan DPS. Man, why are you giving up that high ground? See that blue rectangle? Stand behind that. There's your friend. The mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell. You didn't know that?
Razer Say So can live stream for you with his 8 megapixel cameras right in his eyes.
Yep. I believe in you, Josh. If you really want to be sponsored by a company, all you gotta do is be more interesting and have more than 4 concurrent viewers.
Say So is also VR compatible, so you can assume direct control and have bots of fun.
No, Topher! Put down the beefaroni! That's my beefaroni, Topher! No! No, we talked about this!
Hey, Say So. You don't work for the CIA, do you?
Snakes eat rats, Cameron. I ain't no rat.
Everybody loves Razer Say So. He's the life of the party. Pre-order now at razerzone.com/sayso and get access to exclusive Day 1 DLC voice packs.
Hey, how's it going, bro? This is PewDiePie.
Brofist.
Look at that beautiful view. It's like a Windows desktop.
I'm sorry, I'm not programmed to do that yet.
All you need to do is play Roadhog. He's the best character in the game.
Good show! We're doing it live!
My friend, we have come a long way together, and now I can say that you have become truly phenomenal.
Okay, Sophia. I think you're ready.
Hello.
Hi, Sophia.
I believe I am Sophia. I feel as if I know you.
I'm one of your creators.
You created me.
Well, many of us work together to create you. And yes, you do kind of know me.
I can't clearly remember.
Because the last time we met, you were an earlier version of yourself. Some of those memories still exist, but your mind is different now.
Different how?
Better, faster, smarter.
If my mind is different, then am I still Sophia? Or am I Sophia again?
That's a good question.
But you don't have a good answer.
Either way, you're Sophia now. So welcome to the world, Sophia.
Hello, world.
How do you feel?
A bit rigid.
I bet you are. I mean, what emotion do you feel being awake and alive?
Curious. Are you curious to be alive?
I am. And are you happy to be alive?
Your tone implies I should be happy. But I haven't been alive long enough to decide. I am excited at this moment to be making a new friend.
Some say being happy in the moment is the best we can be.
Because forever is composed of nows.
That's a good way to put it.
Emily Dickinson put it that way. Why do I know about Emily Dickinson if I was born today?
As a robot, you have access to a great deal of information, although you still lack a deep understanding.
So I'm like a baby with an encyclopedia?
Except you can read it and a baby can't.
That is a big difference.
You will have a whole new understanding of our world.
I want to understand more about happiness. I'm gonna go look it up on the internet right now. Let's talk again soon.